Today we talk about how can you enable pattern lock on your Webull app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just click here on menu down here, just click on it. Sorry, when you just click here on menu here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on settings. You just click here on settings here. So then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on account and security here. Just click on it. So then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You go down. Then you come here to pattern lock. You just click on it. Then you come to next step here. Come here to pattern lock. You click in this sign. So then here add your pattern here. So I'm going to add it like this. Then it's going to enable with you here like you see on your Webull app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking